Now let's take a closer look to this BMW X6 M 50i. It has the one-piece design kidney grille, which is illuminated. This is one of the coolest things I have ever seen on a car. It looks beautiful at night. It has also the laser headlights. You can see up to 600 meters when you turn on the high beam. It has also the beautiful blue details, and they look very aggressive in my opinion. There's also a camera located underneath the kidney grille for the 360 degrees camera system. And the kidney grille is finished in a cerium gray color, just like the mirror caps. This is also specific for the X6 M 50i. The front bumper is also very aggressive. Again, the beautiful colored details. It has the LED fog lights, it has bigger air intakes, and in the middle of the front bumper you can see the radar for the adaptive cruise control. It has the optional 22-inch rims. BMW is really good at designing wheels, and these look fantastic in my opinion. This car has also the M performance brake system. It has the M logo on the fender, and this car has also the light carpet. When you open the door at night, there are lights located on the floor. This car has a soft close system, the keyless entry and keyless go function, the display key, the blind spot assist, and there are actually cameras underneath the mirrors for the top view, which I will show in a few moments. The X6 M 50i is for the first time available with a huge panoramic sunroof with the ambient lighting in it, which I will show in the video. It looks very cool at night. This car has also the entertainment system, which are touch screens. There are screens in the back of this car. Let's take a look at the rear of the car. One of the biggest changes is also in the rear. It has beautiful, slim, very wide tail lights. You can see the beautiful spoiler with a nice touch to it. You can see the spoiler up here. It has the X6 and M50i logo in cerium gray color. That's also really nice. Of course, it has the rear view camera, and look at the rear bumper. Look at those exhausts, chrome tipped, and these are real exhausts. It has a quad exhaust system. When you look closer, you can see the double exhaust on each side, and the diffuser part is always finished in the color of the car. I think that's also a really nice touch, and this part is always in a gray metallic color. It has also the beautiful air outtakes over here. They are fake, but they look very dynamic and add to the car in my opinion. The interior is completely new. It has the digital instrument cluster, the new iDrive system. The 360 degrees camera system works great. This car has also the beautiful carbon package, the crystal gear lever, the BMW individual seats with the massage, heating and cooling, the Bang & Olufsen, the Bauer & Wilkins sound system, beautiful ambient lighting with 7 colors. You can also choose dual colors if you want. Now let's start with the steering wheel. This is a M steering wheel, which is thicker with thicker extensions on top, and it has the shift pedals finished in leather and matte chrome finish. I think it looks beautiful. The heating function is now over here. I think this is a better place. It has also the adaptive cruise control settings on it, the F1 shift pedals for the 8-speed automatic transmission. The digital instrument cluster is different. Instant power and torque. You can also change the information inside it, G-meter, radio, sport, the normal view, and so on. There are actually sensors over here that monitor the driving. When you get sleepy, it will warn you. This car has also the head-up display. You can turn it on or off. Beautiful designed sporty dash, finished in leather. I really like the carbon and the ambient lighting. I love the fact that the iDrive is a bigger screen now. It is also a touch screen. It is almost a one-piece design. I love it. The fact that the ambient lighting continues over here, that's also really cool. It has the blind spot assist, which I will show in the test drive. The triangle lights up. Let me turn on the massage system. There's a button over here. You can adjust the intensity if you want. 3 settings for that. The trunk release is also over there. 2-person memory And with this button you can control the passenger seat. With your own buttons over here you can control the passenger seat. That's also really cool. Lock and unlock button is over here. This also changed. I love the leather dash and the leather door panels. Ambient lighting. The mirror adjustment, these are by the way automatic. Very big storage areas, as you can see. It's also illuminated. I love the beautiful pedals over there. The light system, the light buttons are also different. Now let's go over the details, because there are a lot of details. Let's begin with the seats. You can adjust the headrest if you want. The stitching is great, the design is beautiful. The entertainment system in the back, the screens, which I will show in a minute. BMW individual. Look at the design. It has perforation because these seats have also the cooling function with 3 settings. These are heated and they have the massage system with 8 or 9 programs. Leg extensions of course. And when you turn on the heated seats, even the armrest gets heated. That's also really cool. Over here there's a storage area with a USB input, and the leather is a great quality leather. Napa leather is used, and I love the new gear lever. Look at it. It has the X emblem in it, which is illuminated at night in orange. It looks very cool. It has also the start button over here. On the previous models it was over here, but BMW has changed it. I think it looks really cool. When you buy the crystal gear lever, this is a 700 euro option in the Netherlands. When you buy this is also made out of glass, and this the rotary controller also looks beautiful. I love the materials that are used, and look at the carbon, looks fantastic. Now let's go over the details. You can turn off the ESP. This is the camera system, parking sensors, start stop, sport mode, comfort, eco pro, adaptive mode. Now the adaptive mode, when you press this, it will automatically change between sport, comfort, eco pro mode depending on your driving. Over here it has the electronic handbrake, hill descent, and you can buy it I think with the air suspension, I don't know for sure. Then you get also buttons over here. And the rotary controller, you can write the address down on this. It has the buttons of course, as you already know. One of the biggest changes is over here. It comes now with the wireless charging for your phone or for your display key, and it has the heated and cooled cup holders, so you can choose what you want. If you have a warm coffee, you can turn on the heating just like this. If you have a cold drink, you can choose the cooling function. That's also really cool. Over here a 12-volt power outlet. The ambient lighting continues over here, as you can see. The climate control system is different. Little display, fan speed, and let me show this. It has a perfume system, so you can choose between 2 perfume senses located over here in the glove box. You can adjust the intensity. After a while there's a very nice sense into the cabin, distributed by the climate control system. That's really nice, just like the BMW 7 series. Now the camera system is also really good, great quality. Now there is a normal camera system, so you can see around the car, rear, side, front. This is the rear view, this is the front view. There are also side cameras available, but there's also a 3D view available, so I can see live around the car. and there's a top view, as you can see. There's a camera located in the front, underneath the mirrors, and one in the back, and then this car can get those images live. That's really cool. It has also the automatic parking system, the reversing assist. Let me tell you more about that. The reversing assist, when you drive to a parking area, you park it and you want to drive it automatically out, it can do it. Just press this button and it stores the last 50 meters up into to its memory, and it can drive automatically outwards of that area, reversing on its own. The steering wheel is operated by the car itself. Very, very cool. And it has the gesture control. That's also really nice. So when you do this, you can turn on the music or turn off the music. You can change stations when you do this. Very, very cool. Now, this is the main menu of the car. There are widgets available, 3 pages. There are shortcuts, car settings, the languages. These are the languages available for the BMW X6 M 50i. Let me turn on English. Now you can adjust the driver modes. Let me show you the ambient lighting colors. You can adjust the brightness, dynamic light. These are the colors available. Very, very cool. I love the ambient lighting system. Displays, head-up display adjustment, driver assistance. By pressing this you can also adjust it. This car is fully loaded. It has the front collision, side collision warning, lane departure warning, lane change warning, give way warning. Fully loaded, and it can take over the steering wheel. The driving modes. You can adjust the damping, steering, engine and transmission, and of course the massage system. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 programs available. This is one of the coolest things on this car. You can exercise the whole body, upper body, and I must say it works really, really good. I love to sit in this car and enjoy the massage system just like now. It is one of the best for sure. And it has the heating function with 3 settings, but you can also turn on the cooling, then it turns blue. It has the heating and the cooling again. It works really good. Beautiful. And one of the nicest things on this car, of course, it has the memory for the seat and the steering wheel. That's normal almost. The Bauer and Wilkins system continues over here and over there, also in the back. It has a panoramic sunroof now, and when you turn on the blue ambient lighting, the blue continues. There are 12,000 spots, I think, located in the sunroof, which light up. You can tilt the sunroof like this or open it backwards. When you tilt it or open the front, this part of the ambient lighting stops working, but when you close it, it works both. Really cool. It has an Alcantara headliner, SOS button, of course, dimming rearview mirror with the garage door home link, dimming outside mirror. The visibility is great. Now let's take a look at the back seats, and then let's drive this beast. And this is the view from the back seat. I think this design for the dash looks beautiful compared to the previous generation. It is more futuristic and sporty, yet classy. I love the crystal gear lever. It has of course the huge panoramic sunroof which continues up to here. Very comfortable seats, and it has the entertainment system in the back. The seats have a lot of adjustments. You can even move this part only, as you can see. Beautiful done. You can watch a DVD, you can watch TV, you can read the news. This is a touchscreen, by the way. You can listen to the radio. I can even adjust the ambient lighting if I want. The brightness, the colors. Very cool. General settings, mobile devices, sound settings, climate control settings. Everything is adjustable. It looks great, and the fact that it's a touchscreen is really nice. This is the space left. I'm 1m83. There's also a 4-zone climate control system with heated seats for all of the passengers and the driver. You can put a DVD over here, and even the buttons in the rear are a high quality design. Even this part has a beautiful design. It has cup holders, it has an armrest with a storage area, and as you can see, 3 persons can sit easily over here. Isofix rear seats, individual design. My hair is not touching the roof. I'm sitting fine over here.